I'm about to try this Boosie.
Wow.
Hey, fanatics. Welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, Shenseea tries Boosie's Noodles for the first time. Also, she got nominated for an award. And Cardi B turns 30. So Shenseea shared that she tried the rapper Lil Boosie's Cup Noodle. Watch this video for a reaction.
I'm about to try this Boosie noodle. Damn! I can hear it cursing me out already. Okay, it's really good, guys. I haven't eaten for 9 hours. And, I'm not mad that this is the first thing that I ate. It's good. I'm gonna be eating Boosie more often. Yeah, go on.
If you personally have tried these noodles, please let me know what you think about it in the comments section. In another note, Shenseea has been nominated for MTV's EMA Awards for Best Breakthrough Artist. Congrats to Shenseea. It's definitely a great look to see that her work is being recognized on an international scale. The award show will be held on November 13, 2022, so you guys can look out for it. Last but not least, Cardi B has made it to Dirty 30. The rapper took it to her IG page to say, made it to 30 with 2 cribs, 6 whips, multiple properties, and blessed kids. Cardi B's 30th birthday party was lit. Burlesque theme and all. Her sister Shenseea and her husband Offset, they were present, and I'm seeing where Offset surprised her with roses. For copyright reasons, I'm not able to play the original audio, but you guys can take a look.
Wow. I want to cry because I can't believe you guys love me like that. Like, what?
You have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.